Hello, in this video I would like to solve a couple of math problems. This is a textbook which we follow with my son. It's a grade 2 textbook, and I would like to solve the problem 13 from this textbook. Okay, let's start. Okay, here is the first problem. We've got a number AA plus A2 equals to BAB. A and B, these are numbers. A, like all these A's, is the same number. All B the same number, and AAB is a different number. So how I would approach it? First, let's define what numbers can be A and B. So A and B belongs to a set of numbers. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Nothing more. Then let's try to figure out if we can understand what, for example, B equals to. Let's look over here. Here we can say that it's 0 and this one is 0. So B doesn't equal 0 because otherwise we would have here B and B, right? So, but it's not like this. That's why B cannot equal to 0. But what can B be? If we take, for example, A as 9, so it will be like this here. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So we would move 1 over here. And so basically B can be equal only to 1 and nothing more. That's why we know B equals 1. Now we can rewrite what we have here. AA plus A2 equals 1A1. Now, what can be A if A plus 2 equals to 1? The only thing A can be from this set of numbers, from this one, it can be only 9, because 9 plus 2 equals 11. And then we will write here 1, and 1 will go here. That's why we know that A actually equals 9. So A equals 9. And let's try to rewrite this one with everything we know. It means 99 plus 92 equals 1, 9, 1. Let's try to solve it. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1. 10 plus 9, 9. And 1 goes again here. So everything is correct. So B equals 1, A equals 9. Okay, this problem is most complicated from the three problems. Let's start again. Let's say, what can M, K, and H belong to? It belongs again to the same set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's use the same logic over here. M and K are different numbers. So what can be K? The only thing K can be is M plus 1, because the only thing where M will be different in the sum, if something comes from here, and only 1 can come, because if M equals 9 and K equals 9, it will be 18, and plus 1 will go here. So basically we know that 1 plus 1 is here, and it means that K equals M plus 1. Now let's have a look at this one. We know that if we write it as an equation, it will be M plus 1 plus N equals M plus 1, which means that M plus H equals 0. Because we have here 0 and M and H, like one of them definitely has to be 1, because the numbers are different, and the lowest numbers is set like 0 and 1. So imagine M is 0 and N and H is 1. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. So it means that again here we need something like m, for example, equals 6 and h equals, for example, 4. And in this case we will have 0 and 1, for example 10, which means that here we will also have plus 1. And now, because we've got here only one unknown, because we know what k equals, we can now solve this equation, this one. It will be 1 plus m plus k, which is m plus 1, equals m. Now let's try to solve it. So we know that, for example, this one like this, it will be 0 here, and we know that m plus 2 equals 0. It means that m can only be equal to 8. So we know that m equals to 8. Now we know that k equals m plus 1, it means that k equals 9. And now if we put all we know over here in this equation, we will see like this: 8 plus 9 plus h equals 9. Again, this one 0, and it means that 8 plus h equals 0, and h can be only 2, nothing else. So h equals 2. Now let's try to put the numbers over here. So it will be like this: 8, here it will be 8, 9, and here it will be 8, 9, 2, and here it will be 9, 8, 9. Let's try to solve it. 8 plus 9 will be 17. 17 plus 2 equals 9 plus 1 here. So 1 plus 9, 10, 18, 8 here plus 1, 9. Everything is correct. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope it was these tasks were interesting. See you next time.